Hi everyone, welcome to Glitch Guru. In today's video, we'll show you what to do if your iPhone isn't ringing for incoming calls. To fix this, first, ensure the ringer volume is turned up by opening the Settings app. Then, tap on Sounds and Haptics and check the ringer and alert slider. If it's low, turn it up. Next, you need to ensure Do Not Disturb is turned off. For that, swipe down from the top of the screen and tap on this Focus or Do Not Disturb tile. If it's on, tap on it to turn it off. If you have an iPhone with a mute switch, you need to check it to ensure that silent mode is off. You can flip the switch on the side of your iPhone so that it shows ringer. After that, your iPhone should ring for incoming calls. If that doesn't help, make sure your iPhone is not connected to any Bluetooth devices such as headphones or a speaker. If it is, it may route the sound to that device instead of ringing through the phone. So, go to the Settings app and simply turn off Bluetooth. If your iPhone is not ringing for only specific calls, you need to ensure that you haven't accidentally enabled the Silence Unknown Callers feature. For that, open the Settings app. Now, scroll down to tap on Apps. In this menu, scroll down to find the Phone app on the list. Once you find it, tap on it. Here, scroll down again and make sure Silence Unknown Callers is off. If it's on, tap on it and turn off this toggle. Finally, you can try restarting your iPhone to fix any temporary issues that may be the problem. After this, your iPhone should ring for incoming calls. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below.